be vindicated, but in the meantime, he's taking a voluntary leave of absence from the bench.
But Murdaugh may not have a choice. The state Supreme Court late today started proceedings to suspend him without pay. Murdaugh was arrested late yesterday for allegedly raping a prostitute and intimidating a witness. News 13's Crystal Gutierrez is live with more.
And Dick, this statement from Murdaugh's attorney says the judge decided to step down on his own because he didn't want to be a distraction. But this case was causing a lot of distraction at the courthouse today.
Well, it's a surprise.
It's not every day Chief Judge Ted Baca has to talk about one of his judges being accused of doing wrong, especially one as highly visible as Murdaugh. The criminal complaint says Murdaugh met the alleged victim through a website that advertises sex for sale. She claims Murdaugh paid her for sex 8 times, and twice he forced her to let him perform oral sex on her, even though she said no. Police say one of the times when she said no was recorded by a camera, which she had secretly set up. On Monday, she sold that video to a confidential informant who turned it over to police. Today, Judge Baca insisted that the integrity of the justice system will not be compromised and said Murdaugh's cases will be moved forward.
This court will get through this. We will continue to operate, and there will be no disruption in our operations as a result of this.
Throughout the building, signs were posted that Murdaugh's caseload for today would be handled by Judge Neil Candelaria. In an afternoon meeting, the judges discussed a final plan for Murdaugh's massive caseload.
It's a guess, but I would say somewhere between 1,500 and 2,000 cases.
Baca says as for Murdaugh, despite the evidence detectives say they have against the judge, Baca says he too will have his day in court.
I'm sure the public will be concerned about this, but the process will be allowed to run its course. He is, like anybody else, presumed innocent until he's proven guilty.
And the district court clerk says if needed, some of the civil court district judges will step in and help carry Murdaugh's caseload as well. Back to you.
All right, Crystal, another housekeeping event. Judge Baca has named Judge Candelaria to replace Murdaugh as the chief criminal judge.
The murder